That's what we someone say for that vex.
Oh, that could be true, shall.
Hey, I don't want to hear anything from that dirty smelling mouth again.
Ah, Pastor!
Will you shut up your mouth there? Sit up like fridge. Back to you. What do you have to say? I mean, what do you have to say? I told you to round up the women's meeting very fast. You know I don't play with my breakfast. This morning I was not able to take my breakfast. Now let me go home and have my food in peace. It becomes a problem. Look how she's even looking at me. In fact, you are going to trek today. You will come down from this car now. Nonsense. What are you still doing in my car? Get out, John!
Good afternoon, sir. Are you Pastor Paul?
Are you blind? Can't you say I'm not in the mood?
Sorry, sir.
Hey, get out of my sight! Is this the best time for counseling? I say leave!
When your household is a temple, a dwelling place for the Almighty, you have to be a praying father and a very